Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Saint-Louis-du-Ha is a municipality in the Bas-Saint-Laurent region of eastern Quebec, located within the Témiscouata region near the border with New Brunswick. The community has a population of roughly 1,300 people and is surrounded by forests, lakes, rivers, and rolling hills that define much of this part of eastern Quebec. Saint-Louis-du-Ha is widely known for having one of the most unusual place names in Canada, with the exclamation marks officially included in the municipality name. The exact meaning of the name Ha-Ha has been debated for many years. One explanation comes from an old French expression describing an unexpected obstacle or dead end in the landscape, such as a lake or steep valley. Another interpretation connects the name to an old word used to describe a path or passage through difficult terrain. Regardless of its origin, the name has become internationally recognized because of its unusual spelling and punctuation. The municipality was established during the 19th century as settlement expanded through the Témiscouata region. Forestry and agriculture quickly became the main industries supporting local families and businesses. Early settlers cleared forests to create farmland, while nearby timber operations supplied lumber for construction, heating, and manufacturing. Like many rural communities in eastern Quebec, transportation routes were important for long-term growth and development. The construction of transportation corridors through the Témiscouata region played a major role in connecting the community to the rest of Quebec and Atlantic Canada. Historic roads linking Quebec City to the maritime provinces passed through this region for generations. Later highway development improved travel and trade connections between Quebec and New Brunswick, helping communities such as Saint-Louis-du-Ha remain connected to larger commercial centers. Agriculture remains an important part of the local economy today. Farms throughout the surrounding countryside produce dairy products, livestock, hay, and other agricultural goods. Open farmland mixed with forests and lakes creates the landscape that defines much of the Témiscouata region. Agriculture continues to support local businesses and maintain the rural identity of the municipality. Forestry also continues to shape the region. Large forests surrounding Saint-Louis-du-Ha provided employment and economic activity for generations through logging and wood processing operations. Timber harvesting played an important role in the growth of eastern Quebec during the 19th and 20th centuries. Forests remain one of the defining natural features surrounding the municipality today. The municipality is located close to several lakes and waterways that influence settlement patterns and economic development throughout the region. Water routes historically supported transportation, fishing, and forestry operations during the early years of settlement. Today, nearby lakes continue to support tourism, recreation, and seasonal activities throughout the area. Today, Saint-Louis-du-Ha remains connected to the forests, farmland, lakes, and transportation history that shaped its development for more than a century. The municipality reflects the natural landscapes and rural traditions of eastern Quebec while maintaining its own distinctive identity. Visitors passing through the area experience a community shaped by forestry, agriculture, outdoor recreation, and one of the most memorable place names in Canada.